A. A for apple. Apple means save. B. B for ball. Ball means gained. C. C for cat. Cat means billy. D. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F. F for fish. Fish means machli. G. G for grapes. Grapes means angur. H. H for hen. Hen means murgi. I. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J. J for jug. Jug means jug. K. K for kite. Kite means patang. L. L for lion. Lion means sher. M. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N. N for nest. Nest means ghosla. O. O for owl. Owl means ullu. P. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. Q. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. R. R for rose. Rose means gulab. S. S for sun. Sun means Suraj. T. T for tiger. Tiger means bag. U. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhata. V. V for van. Van means gaadi. W. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X. X for X-ray. X-ray means X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Z. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.